Good morning. My name is Israel Fonseca, and this assignment is to identify the anatomy of a chest X-ray. I'm going to start off by documenting that this is the right scapula. This is the left scapula. This is a marker that helps me differentiate between left and right side. I would probably move the marker off of the anatomy. This is the right apices of the lung. This is the left apices of the lung. There looks like to be one, two, three spinous processes. Obviously, this is the vertebral column. This is the costophrenic angle of the left side. This is the right costophrenic angle. And this looks like the shadow of the heart. And this is just a demonstration of me identifying anatomy of the chest X-ray. Thank you.